Good morning students. I am here with your next lesson and our next lesson is about multiplication. You have already done this concept in your previous grade. As I am having a question in front of you, I will multiply 34 by 2. What was the procedure? Just recall the concept what you have done in your previous grade. We will start from unit place. On the unit place, we have digits 4 and 2. So, we will multiply 2 with 4. Means you will read the table of 2 up to 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. Means the answer is 8. Now, I will multiply 2 with 3. Means the unit place digit will multiply with the tens place. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. So when we will multiply 34 with 2, we will get 68. Each term in this question has a name, has a specific name. As 34 is called multiplicand, 2 is called multiplier and the answer is called product. Now we will move one step up. Multiplication converting ones. Students, do you remember in the question of addition and subtraction, you used to take carry in addition question and take borrow in subtraction questions. Now we are having a question 26 multiplied by 3. Procedure is same. We will start from the ones place. Means we will multiply the digits which are on the ones place. In this question, I have 6 and 3 on the ones place. So, multiply 6 with 3. Means you will read the table of 3 up to 6. The answer will be 18. But these are too many ones. As you all know that on the ones place, we will write down one digit that is on the ones place. And in this question, 18, 1 is on our left hand side and 8 is on right hand side. So the digit on the right hand side would be on the ones place. I will write down 8 on the ones place and what will I do with 1? I will give it carry to the tens place. So again we multiply the ones number with the tens. Means I will multiply 3 with 2. When I will multiply 3 with 2, the answer would be 6. Now what about the number which we have given the carry? We will add that carry in this number. So when I'll add 6 and 1, the answer would be 7 and write down 7 over here. Let's take another example. Now I am having 3 numbers in multiplicand and my multiplier is 1 digit number. So the procedure is same. Multiply 3 with 6. When we will multiply 3 with 6, answer is 18. Write down ones, the number on the ones place on the ones place and give the digit that is on the tens place as carry to the tens number. So I have written down 8 on ones place and 1 as a carry on the tens place. Now multiply 3 with 4. When we will multiply 3 with 4, I will get 12. Now think about that number as which I have given as carry. We will add that carry in the 12 in the product of 3 and 4. So 12 plus 1 is 13. Again the same procedure, write down one digit on the tens place because 3 is on tens place. On tens place we are having two numbers. So one would be on tens place and other would be on hundreds place as carry. Now multiply 3 with 1. 3 ones are 3 and again we will add the carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. So when we will multiply 146 with 3, we will get answer 438. Hope you have understood today's concept. This is the time for your home assignment. Try to solve the question. And one thing we have noticed in these questions that we need to learn the tables. So also revise your tables. If you feel any problem, contact me on my email shafaqnafe792@gmail.com. Thank you.